Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib Hassan and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video, I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start a video. So friends, first of all, we have to set our face. To do it, you have to click on here. Then select insist from here, then click on this box, then type here 3.5, then click on this box, then type here 2, then click on the OK. After that, you have to select the pen tool from here, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point, then click on here, here and here. Then select the move tool, then select the pen tool again, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve, then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve, then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then you have to select the pen tool, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point, then click on here, here, here and here. Then click on the fill, then you have to select this color, then select the move tool. Then drag this under these layers. Then select this layer again, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this, then double click on here. Then select this color. Then click on the OK. After that, you have to select this, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then you have to click on the OK. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay, then you have to click on here. Then click on the blues, then you have to select this color. Then click on the OK. Now we have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay, then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on the blues. Then you have to select this color, then click on the OK. Then click on the outer glow. Then click on the OK again. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on the OK, then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the outer glow. Then unlock the background layer, then double click on here. Then click on the color overlay. Then select this layer, then lock this layer again. After that, you have to select this layer, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this. Then you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the outer glow. Then click on the OK. Then you have to select this layer, then you have to right click on here, then click on the wrap. After that, you have to include the icons and add some text in here. I am already write the text, so I am pasting the text in here. After pasting the text, you have to change the color of this text. After that, you have to change the color of these icons. After that, you have to open your logo. So I am opening my logo from my PC. After opening the logo, you have to select these layers, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from these layers. Then double click on here, then write your company name in here. Then you have to click on the tick mark, then double click on here, then write your company category in here. Then click on the tick mark again, then select these layers, then drag these layers in here. Then decrease the size of these layers, then drag these layers in here. Then click on the tick mark, then select these layers, then decrease the size of these layers. Then drag these layers in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then you have to click on the drop shadow. Then click on here, then you have to select the blue color. Then click on the OK. Then you have to increase the opacity from here. then click on the OK, then drag this under these layers. So now here we can see our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set this business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, you have to double click on here, then select all layers from here, then click on the backspace. Then back to the main project, then you have to unlock all layers from here. After unlock all layers, you have to select all layers from here, then drag these layers in here. Then you have to set this business card in here. After set the business card, you have to press Ctrl+ S button from keyboard. Now, here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.